How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Well, the last 2 days have been pretty wintry. 2 days ago, we got about, I don't know, 3 inches, 4 or 5 inches of snow. Probably 5 inches. Good 5 inches of snow fell. And then yesterday morning early, it started to rain. Then it turned to freezing rain. And we had freezing rain, well, right through until about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. About a 1/4 inch of ice covered everything. I didn't even try to plow the driveway after we got the first snowfall because I figured with this freezing rain coming, all it would do would be make a rink where I had plowed, so I just left it. We didn't have to go anywheres. Well, yesterday after we got all that freezing rain, then around supper time it switched over to just rain, and we were lucky it did because just the plain old rain took a lot of the ice and whatnot off the trees and branches, and then it got right windy. So anyways, the bottom line is I got a good skiff of ice over all that snow that was left in the driveway, but we didn't have any problems with like trees coming down or power going out or anything like that. So it turned out all good in the end. But what we're up to today, I'm going to try and get some video of plowing this icy snow cover that I have on the landing in the lane. I'm going to set up some cameras, hopefully get some good shots. And we're going to get a chance to see how these new chains really dig in the ice. I think I'm going to be impressed, and I hope you are too, so stay tuned. So we got the plowing done, didn't turn out too bad. I'm very impressed with the way the chains worked on that ice. I had nothing but ice in the landing and out the lane, especially on the road. The road was just glare ice from side to side. You could skate from here to Truro, I bet you. But anyways, the chains worked great. Those corks, they really dug in. Good traction, didn't slip or slide, and I don't even think I spun a wheel. But so that's good. I like that. I was also experimenting with different camera angles, and I hope they turn out all right. I'm going to try and get as many of them in this video as I can. In the meantime, I hope you like this video of me plowing some snow here in the lane. It had lots of ice, and I hope everywhere that you're watching this from, that you're safe and sound and comfy. We had a lot of bad weather here in the Atlantic provinces in the last 3 days, or even a couple of weeks now. Newfoundland had snow up to their oxters, and I just wanted to make sure everybody's safe. And if you're not safe, I pray for you that I hope you get safe and get comfy and get things squared away as quickly as you can. In the meantime, folks, thanks for watching. Click like, click subscribe if you haven't done so already. I love comments, so load her up with comments, and you can share the video too. I wouldn't mind that a bit. So we'll see you next time on Grampie's Workshop. We'll talk to you.